Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change the slow motion speed on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. So the first thing that we need to do is open more in order to find slow motion. We have two slow motion modes, one is the default one and the other is super slow motion. If we tap on slow motion, then of course we can start recording the video. But in order to change the slow motion speed, we need to change the resolution here, or the quality. So, or actually FPS, because over here we can set it to 240 or 120 FPS. And if we use higher FPS, then we have slower speed. So in 120 FPS, we have 1/4 of the speed. And in case of 240, we have 1/8. In addition to that, we also have the super slow motion. But compared to the normal one, we cannot really record for a long time. We can only record like 2 seconds or 1 second max. And there are no additional options. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.